Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is video 2 of our Mongodb series, and in this video the agenda will be that we are gonna see how to see the databases in Mongodb and how to create databases, how to switch from one database to another database using the Mongoshell, and also we will be seeing the collections, like in which format does the data be stored in MongoDB. So guys, let's not waste our time. So let's dive into our Mongoshell. Before that guys, I have started a new service. You can see here topmate.io. If you just click on this, you will be redirected to my Topmate profile, where if you want any career guidance or else mock interview, you can book the slot here. You can just explore my this particular URL. You can directly click here, or else I'll be providing that link in the description. So guys, let's not waste our time. So let's open our Mongoshell now. Same shortcut key, Windows plus R, and then search for CMD. Now the CMD will pop up. Now just search for Mongo SH. That is nothing but Mongoshell. Previously I have told you about this. So now my shell is activated. So now I am at the test database. So guys, if you can see here, I am using Mongo SH 1.5.4 and using MongoDB database, that is 6.0.1, means that is the latest one we have installed. So now I am at test database. So to check that, if I just click on DB and search for DB and press enter, DB is our first command. Don't worry, I'll be providing you all a website or else a URL Notion page where you have everything of these commands. I'll be creating that and I'll be uploading that in this particular video description. Okay, DB refers to your current database. You can see here it is showing the test database. Then how to see whether how many databases are available now? For that, it's nothing but just type show dbs and enter. You can see here this is the second command. By this you can see all the databases available in your local system. So admin, config, local, sky and test. These all are the databases available in my particular system. This is our command number 2. Now getting my point? So guys, now let us see the third command. The third command is nothing but how to create database. So now you have an option called use this command. So if you click on type use, and then if you type the database name which is available. So now if I type admin, for suppose if I type admin, so already this database is available. If I click on this, now that particular previously we were using test, this particular test database, now it got switched to admin database. But how can you create a database? For that you can easily create with this same command. Use command is used to even switch from one database to another database, and if the database is not available, it will automatically create a new database. So I can give use, and now if I just search for example, I'll give this as test YT, that is nothing but test YouTube. I'm just giving a random name, use test YT. So you can see here now my database got changed. I'll just maximize the screen. So you can see here database got switched, and you can see here test YT. So now if I search for show databases command, I don't need to type the command again and again. If the command if you have typed previously, if you want to just get that same command again, in your keyboard you can see here there are like 4 arrow marks, like upward, left, right. These arrow marks are available, right? Just click on the upward arrow mark. So it came use test YT. I don't want to see the databases. With the help of this you cannot see the databases. Now just again search use admin again. Now you got the command called show databases. You can see here show databases. Just press enter, and now you can see here admin, config, and then local, and then sky, and then test. Do you all know why this test YT is not available? We have just created the test YT, but we have not inserted any data into that, so that particular it is not considered as a database. Once we insert, you can see here you can see in admin 40.00 KIB is already present, and in config also, and even test 112.00 KIB is present. This particular data is already present in these databases. But in test YT we have just created the database. We have not done anything. we have not inserted anything to that. It is just an empty database. So it is not yet considering that. Once you start to insert the data, you can see that particular database reflecting here also. You are getting my point? So guys, what exactly happens here is, now we have created a test.yt database, but we have not inserted any data into that. Because of that, what happens, it is not considering that as a completely database. When you insert some data into that particular database, and if you click on show database, if you search for this command show databases again, then it will show you that particular database. When there is no data in that particular database, it will be empty database, so it is not gonna show anything. So if you even close this terminal directly, by default that particular database will get deleted because there is no data in that particular database. This is an advantage for us. We don't need to again comment separately delete this database. Leave about this. And I forgot to explain you all an important topic, that is about collections, how that particular data will be stored in MongoDB. So I'll show you all an example. I have already done and inserted one data from that particular Mongoshell or else from MongoDB to the cloud. So you can see here I have created my database as my DB, and in that I have created a collection as my collection, and in that I have inserted this. Do you all know why this is my data? Name, ID and sold, how much he sold that particular thing. I have just given this data randomly. Do you all know why this underscore ID or else object ID is available here? Let me tell you all. MongoDB will create an unique ID for each and every table or else each and every collection available, so that you can even track that particular data using this particular object ID also. So you can see here it is stored in the form of JSON or else in a form of dictionary format, easily to say. So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel, and from next video you will be getting the CRUD operations. I want you all to search the full abbreviation form or else full form of CRUD, CRUD, and comment that in this particular video below. Thank you all guys. Bye bye.